If you have not subscribed to my channel yet, click on the subscribe button below and tap on this bell icon to get notified whenever a new episode is out. And also subscribe to my Hindi channel. The link will be in the description below. Welcome to the CHAPPAN BHOG series of Chef Lall's kitchen, where I will be making more than 100 holy food of Lord Jagannath, also known as Mahaprasad. And today we're gonna be making Madhuruchi. So let's get started. So the ingredients we need are: take half of a dry mango and soak that in some water for roughly about half an hour. Then a teaspoon of sesame seeds or til, a teaspoon of cumin seeds, that's jeera. Take some fennel seeds, cloves, black cardamom and black pepper in a blender and blend to make a powder of it, from which we need about half a teaspoon of that. Then half a teaspoon of asafoetida or hing, 2 tablespoons of clarified butter or ghee, a quarter cup of jaggery or gourd. Then take about half-inch long ginger in a pestle and roughly crush it. A quarter teaspoon of salt. Now in a bowl, take about 3/4 cup of curd or dahi, followed by all the gourd and some salt, and mix it up real well. Then take a small pan and in that add all the ghee, and when that's hot, add all the mustard, cumin, sesame, all the ginger, hing and the powder, and roast it for roughly about a minute. Then transfer it directly into the mixture. But before that, add the soaked mango along with the water. And with the help of a spoon, mix it up really well, and it's done. And that's it, one of the Mahaprasad, Madhuruchi. So do try this at home and share your experience in the comment section below. If you have not subscribed to my channel yet, click on the subscribe button below and tap on this bell icon to get notified whenever a new episode is out. And also subscribe to my Hindi channel. The link will be in the description below.